Hi viewers, welcome to my channel. This is Dog Mountain. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to set up your 3DOS account. This one is an airdrop and it's going to be huge. Yeah, it was kickstarted in April this year, 2025. So the earlier the better. And pretty soon they're going to roll out an app. So for now, what you need to do is you're going to install Mrs. browser, and after you install it, you need now to get back to this video's description. You click the link that I will leave there and then copy the referral code. Okay, so now after you do that, you click the link and you're gonna land on this page. Okay, so once you land on this page, what you do next is click enter now. And then there'll be this command reading start now. Click there. So when you land on this page, you will need to punch in your email address, or you can simply sign in with Google. You sign up with Google. That will be the easiest. So let me try to punch in the email here, then create a password. Thereafter, I'll need to click here where it reads I agree. Okay, so after your credentials have been submitted, you will receive a notification that registration is successful. The next thing you will need to do is head on to the email inbox for the email address which you had punched in when doing the registration. So head on there and then activate the account. So this is what it will look like. What you do is click it. Verify email. So after verification is done, you'll be prompted to enter your email address as well as the password you created. Then you click login. So in, you need to claim 3DOS reward. And boom, that has been done, right? You can close this and then hit close there. Check out 34 3DOS have been reimbursed. Okay, so what next do you have to do from here? Okay, so the next thing is to make sure that you generate the API key. So you click here where it reads generate API key, and then copy the code that you're going to see there. Copy the code. Thereafter, what you need to do is you happen to log on to your account on Mrs. Okay, so on Mrs. browser. So this is the one I'm using. So you simply click add to Chrome. You're adding an extension. Then you hit OK. Okay, so it's been added. Alright, so after you have logged in, what you need to do is you click here at the bottom and you see 3DOS network. Just click there and then click login so that you punch in the credentials. So here, this is where you're gonna drop that code you copied from there. Press and hold, paste. Okay, there we go. So now you can click apply. And boom, we've been given 10 total rewards.